just come to share with you a journal that I've made, and this is a BOHO Bohemian style journal. I just need to snip that little bit of thread off. Kind of excited about this one because I've never done this themed, boho themed journal ever in my life before. I've admired everyone else's. There is some amazing boho Bohemian Gypsy type journals out there, and I've been inspired by lots of different people. First of all, the kit that I used is from ARTYmaze, and it's a new kit, so I will link that below. Laurie Webber, she makes amazing boho journals, boho Bohemian Gypsy. Who else? Maria Wilson. And there's just loads of people that I've watched over the years make this style of journal. It's always kind of intimidated me a little bit because it's colourful. I don't normally use these colours, but I have to say I had so much fun making this. I was chatting to Andrea, who is ARTYmaze, the other day, and I was actually saying to her that I'm kind of feeling a little bit stressed out about making it. I thought I'd have anxiety doing this, but I really enjoyed it, and I couldn't wait to come in my craft room and do a little bit more to it. And today was a bit of a killer because I didn't get into my craft room until this evening, due to watching my grandson because his mummy's in hospital with appendicitis, and she's been operated on in the morning. So I had him all day, so when everyone come home, I got dinner done and straight in here to finish this off. So enough of my blabbling. So I will put the links below. I will put some links below where I got the inspiration from as well. So let's chat about this. It's made using a tapestry cover, which was an arm cap for an armchair that I'd picked up quite a few months ago, and I like this because it's all fraying around the side, around the edges, and it's given it a nice look. I've used this piece of trim, which is like kind of a bit of an Indian themed trim. I actually had more supplies than I thought I did. There's tabs, there's charms, there's just so much going on in here. I've used a button here just as pure decoration because the colours matched the green and the dark colours on here. That is the back. I've hidden the seam binding, which I've attached on there just with this little piece of trim, which it kind of looks like Indian ribbon. I've used this seam binding, which I think I've just tied in a knot. No, I haven't. Oh, there we go. So there is all these beads, and it's one of these journals that I just, even before it was finished, I just kept looking at it and touching it. It's very tactile. So now that I've spoke for about nearly 4 minutes and I haven't even showed you the inside, that's how excited I am about this. There is two layers of cardstock that I've used. Actually, there might have been 3, I can't remember. I used this patterned cardstock, and yeah, it was just one white thick cardstock just to make the cover sturdy, and it's all been sewn on. I've used some ephemera from Tsunami Rose as well, but I will mention everything that's ARTYmaze. I'm not going to keep saying, but if it's from Tsunami Rose, I'll let you know. The words here is actually from the kit. It is a massive kit, by the way, so please do go over and check it out. I do plan on making a bigger one now that I've enjoyed making this one. So I've used some of this. This was on the edge of the arm cap, and obviously I've cut that off. I've made a little tab here, and we have this bead dangle. I just found that in my stash. These are, like I said, the words are within the kit. I've used one of the images from the kit, and I've backed it onto one of the background papers. Here I have made, I'm just making sure I'm in frame, I've made a booklet. So the booklet just has loads of paper. How many sheets are there? Oh, there's quite a few. There's probably about 6 or 7, probably 8 sheets of paper. And I've used this scrapbooking paper here, which is kind of looked a little bit bohemian to me. Some of this trim, some of, again, some of the trim from the arm cap, some purple bling. This is from the kit and it's backed onto some pink fabric. It says Bohemian, noun gypsy, wanderer, musician, artist or writer who lives a free-spirited life and believes in truth, freedom and love. Done some stamping. Added this trim on here. Here we just have, love this page from the kit. Here we just have an image from the kit, some ephemera pieces here that opens out. So there's plenty of places to journal. Some more of the trim. There is a little cross on there. Here we have, excuse me, here we just have a pocket made with some ephemera that I had. I used some of this, I think this was tie-dyed in it. It's like sari silk fabric, and I just topped the pocket off with that, and then some of this trim. There's just some ephemera here. So there's lots of places you can write on. I'm going to just leave that there and put it all back in a minute. We've got a tapestry tab with a bead. Here I've just used some orange and green braided trim here. The orange is obviously to go with the orange on this page. Here, this is just paper clipped on. Can I get that off? Why can't, oh this, didn't think I could get that off then. I've just put this red trim on there and that flips out, and we just have some ephemera and a journal card from the kit. Excuse me, I'm going to have to take a drink. This lingering cough is driving me bonkers. Some more stamping. Love this page. Now you can see a little bit of the fabric glue that came through, because what I did was I cut a pocket from some cardstock, and then I put the material on it, and then I sewed around it. Oh dear. And I've added this blue trim, this what do you call it, bling, and it goes from like blue, purple, kind of pinky. This lovely tassel-y trim here, and then inside here we have this lovely lady, and I just put some kind of wacky coloured eyelash trim on there. I didn't actually think I had anything to do a boho journal with. I know I'd bought some fabric back last year from someone on the boutique group with the plans to make one, and then just pushed it to one side because I just got overstressed about it. But it's amazing when you go through all your stash what you've actually got. Got another pocket down here with some blue ribbon, and then some of this kind of rick-racky ribbon. We have this piece of ephemera and this tag with some kind of wacky coloured eyelash trim, and the tab here is like a purple velvet. Here was a little piece of blue ribbon which I tried to ink up ages and ages ago to make it black, and it didn't really work, but it kind of works in this because you can obviously see the black and the blue through there. So I made a ruffle and then added some of this eyelash trim here, and I put it onto some scrap piece of paper that was from the kit, so it became a tuck spot there. There is some ephemera, postcard from Andre's kit. Another velvet tab. Actually, it's not velvet, it's like chenille, like a Is it velvety? Velvety chenille, I can't really tell. Fabric's not really my thing. Another like tapestry tab, and on here is this little charm that you could actually like put a word or a photograph in there. We have a flip out there. We have another tab here with some bling. We have this journal card, and then this pocket is made from one of the pages from the kit, and it's got like a gold flecked fabric on the back, and then I just put this trim on there. Here is some like a greeny coloured sari silk, which I kind of flattened out a little bit and then put this trim down there. Here we've got some of this pink tassel-y fabric, and then there's some of this sari silk on the back there. And this fabric I had I had roughly about 12" by 12" squared bits of fabric that I'd bought, so I'd use that to make a pocket. Another journaling card with some bling on here, and this was off of an old scarf. A little journaling card, I'll just pop that in the back there, so that actually lays flat like that, and I like the colours on this. Here it says Believe, Dream Bigger, one of the journaling cards from the kit. We have another like velvet tab with a bead dangle. Here is, you can pause that and read it, but if you buy the kit you'll have it anyway. It's about Boho Girl. It's just the meaning of another tag that I made with some blue eyelash trim and a journal card there, or some ephemera. Here we just have some red like velvety fabric, some of this gold trim here. Yes, we have some more of this trim with this bead dangle. I made another one of these ruffles. This one is obviously purple with some multicoloured eyelash trim. That opens up. It's a journaling card or some ephemera. And then here, it's a little flip with some ephemera and a postcard from the kit and a journal card from the kit, which I've used some blue fabric and then some blue bling. It's like the mesh bling. So that is the journal. Whoops, oh yeah, I was supposed to put that back in, wasn't I? Really enjoyed doing this. I don't think I will be worried about trying to make another one now. I like the fact that I've come out of my comfort zone. I have used things that has been in my stash for absolutely ages, and I like the fact that if you think about Boho Bohemian, it is very free-spirited. It's you can kind of do what you want, you know, and everybody's interpretation is different, which again is the nice creative way of doing this. I will put the links below. This will also be listed in my shop, so if you're interested in this, then that link will be below. I kind of don't want to part with it, but I know I'm going to make more. So, and I've got one that was made for me. So I really need to start using that one before I kind of make myself one. So yeah, the next one that I do is going to be a big chunky one, which will probably take me weeks to do. It will be something that I'll be working on and off in between doing other projects. But there you go, my first time making a boho journal. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.